In Dubai's fast-paced business environment, having a strong online presence is essential. But how much does it cost to build a website here? From small business sites to advanced e-commerce platforms, web design costs vary based on features, customization, and agency expertise. At DWB, we turn your vision into a standout digital experience, helping your business thrive in this competitive market. Stay tuned as we break down the factors influencing web design costs in Dubai. And if you haven't subscribed to DWB, Dubai Web Design, hit that subscribe button now. The fundamentals of web design in Dubai. Web design in Dubai is about more than just looks, it's about creating functional, user-friendly, and visually appealing digital experiences. In this city where tradition meets modernity, successful websites must balance cutting-edge technology with culturally relevant design. Multilingual support, responsive layouts, and intuitive navigation are essential to meet the expectations of both global and local audiences. With Dubai's fast-paced economy, businesses need scalable and high-performing websites to stay competitive. By focusing on user experience and user interface, web design agencies in Dubai don't just build websites, they craft digital spaces that engage users, build trust, and drive growth. Mastering these fundamentals is key to thriving in Dubai's dynamic market. This streamlined version keeps the core points intact while being more direct and engaging for a video audience. The cost of web design in Dubai. The cost of developing a website in Dubai can vary significantly based on several factors, including the type of website, its complexity, and the features required. Here, we break down the typical cost ranges for different types of websites to provide a clearer picture. Basic websites. For small businesses or startups with straightforward requirements, basic websites are an affordable and effective solution. Typically ranging from AED 500 to AED 2000, these websites include essential pages like a homepage, about us, services, and contact information. While they lack advanced features, they serve as a solid foundation for businesses just starting out. Their simplicity ensures quick development times, making them ideal for those on a tight budget or needing a quick launch. Business websites. As businesses grow, their digital needs become more complex. A business website, which costs between AED 2000 to AED 5000, is designed to meet these needs. These websites often feature dynamic content, responsive design for mobile compatibility, advanced contact forms, and even integrated tools like chatbots or booking systems. They are tailored to showcase a company's services, build credibility, and attract a wider audience. Such websites require more customization and expertise, which is reflected in their higher price range. E-commerce websites. E-commerce websites are the backbone of online retail, requiring sophisticated functionalities to support seamless transactions. From payment gateways and inventory management to secure checkout processes, these websites demand precision and robust technology. The cost of an e-commerce website in Dubai generally ranges from AED 3000 to AED 50,000 or more, depending on the complexity and scale of the online store. Features like multi-currency support, personalized user experiences, and marketing integrations can drive up the cost, but also significantly enhance the site's effectiveness in driving sales. Note, these are general estimates, and the actual cost can fluctuate based on factors such as design complexity, website size, and the specific features required. Factors influencing web design costs. It's important to note that these are general estimates. The actual cost of website development can fluctuate based on several variables. Design complexity, customized designs or animations will increase the price. Website size, larger websites with numerous pages require more time and resources. Features and integrations. Adding unique functionalities like CRM systems, AI-driven features, or third-party integrations can significantly raise costs. Agency expertise. Working with a reputed web design agency might cost more, but it often ensures a higher quality outcome. Conclusion. The cost of web design in Dubai varies based on factors like project scope, design complexity, and desired features. While simple sites require modest budgets, advanced platforms demand greater investment. At DWB, we are a professional web and app design company with a dedicated team ready to turn your vision into reality. From user-friendly websites to cutting-edge applications, we help businesses in Dubai thrive in the digital world. Visit us at dwb.ae to learn more. And if you haven't subscribed to DWB Dubai Web Design, hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things web design.